Hi everyone, Gail here. I'm just going to show you how to make the most delicious, nutritious, quick, easy, convenient shake meal replacement that you will ever get on this planet. So it's our nutritional Herbalife Shake, which is a complete meal. It's got 114 essential nutrients and a really good source of protein. So in your 3-day trial pack, if this is what you've got currently, you've got 6 of these nutritional shake sachets, so easy to just pour and go. And you've also got 3 daily servings of our Herbalife beverage, and I'll talk about that in a little bit. Some of you have already moved into the canister of shake, so you just measure up with 3 level scoops of the big end of the Herbie spoon. It's super quick and easy. All right, pardon me. So what I've today, now you can make a little shaker if you like, which is so easy when you're out and about. Just your shaker, water, bit of ice if you wish, if you've got some there. Add your sachet, shake to go, quick, easy, and on the run. Okay, now today I'm going to use a little electrical device, a little blender. You can use a big blender, you can use a whizzy stick, which we often do. It's so easy and convenient. Now I've already added my ice, I've added 300 ml of water, and I already poured in my sachet of shake. Right, so here we go. Just put my little device together. Right, onto the blender. And ready to go. How quick and easy it is. Oh, look at that. Now, if you want it even thicker, because these little machines don't let a lot of air in, you can take the lid off, let it sit for 10, 15 seconds or whatever, put the lid back on, and if you want it really thick and creamy, you add more ice and bring your level up then to your 300 ml. Right. And there it is. Best nutrition on the planet. Gives you heaps of energy, gets into the system really well, low in calories, less than 200 calories, and simply the best. Beautiful. Bye.